Hands over your head, deep low to the ground. Time to duck and cover, the bombs are coming down. Duck and cover, duck and cover.
It will be bold, dramatic,
Yeah.
heroic.
Yeah, something classic, like Dynaguy. Oh, he had a great look. Oh, the cape and the boots.
No capes.
What is it, Ambrister?
Gusteau's.
Finally closing, is it?
No.
More financial trouble?
No, it's come back. It's popular.
I haven't reviewed Gusteau's in years.
No, sir.
My last review condemned it to the tourist trade.
Yes, sir.
Monsieur Boyardee.
Touché.
That is where I left it. That was my last word. The last word.
Yes.
Okay, those of you in the front of the train should be able to see on the train was from the original park over 20 years ago.
Yes, I'm sure your gratitude is quite inexpressible. Don't ask me to do it again, darling. My rates are far too high. I am joking, Robert. I enjoyed the assignment. He is bright and I am stimulating. We deserve each other.